Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Muni akwaba eba Ghana's #1 social platform. And there eye debia meka say as Ghana ni no miraho. Today, Ghana, we've dragged our politics into the gutters. Ya dragging your politics into the mud. Na nini na no memfa so bo no embo nipa ba akoso. Yes, e wom say enam nipa ba akoso na e hye ase ama bebia keka kono. We are seeing videos bia entwaye Ghana ya nyaade ende de assembly na esi ende parliament confusion is what parliament wo hwa the majority and the minority wo buafu yie pa say especially minority fo no buafu among so the pictures because so far I've seen picture of a year minister bia say one your baby and our banner draws down the komu. I've also seen video bia Sami Jenfie posti of a year President Akufo-Addo say description as Sami Jenfie de ka video ne ho wo hwe video na yade eti for entwaye na de nina ene say and the information minister Kojo Oppong Nkrumah wo call parliament na wo call parliament no or address parliament and na wo keka nsem na wo pese or address former president Mahama na wo address former president Mahama no and I will use the word papa no na ye ni na ye nim edin papa no ade bia trend wo Ghana sisia just because of Tracy Boache and Miss Bell. Some people believe say papa no Mahama inti say information minister Kojo Oppong Nkrumah address Mahama as papa no ade bia ma the members of parliament omubufu ye say ade ananka social media ye de social media e wo say eka e wo social media no wo information minister just what the aba parliament ema wo ba beka ntwaye nti ama minority fo so sorry ye eka information minister and say hey and there ni your respect man pananso and there just a respect ni na akọ say wo ka papa na ye nim de wo pesa wo pa atre o na kan sembo ya wo say ka wo social media parliament sebe house of honor ye fan sem bi say emba parliament and I side with the minority on this because please Sebi prayers and sebi President Akufo-Addo NDC for microphobia on the grounds no womo to ni din bi ene nyama but if you go on the parliament which is an official or guest house you don't use those terms. You don't drag parliament into the mud like that. Into the je Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ye wo parliament ne de ntwa ye na Kojo Oppong Nkrumah yes awie no amakwami A+ nso ababonten a wo tre secrets of Kojo Oppong Nkrumah say one presidential advisor bi area akwakoda che say nsem be ama wo kwami A+ de bufo so kan nsem afa Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ho say Kojo Oppong Nkrumah to me the ponoba ono kwami A+ fie say wo monhwe wo projector so Kojo Oppong Nkrumah wemba no ore wo no remba no wo no anya akukudro ekofre Mahama papa no ewo parliament. You see it is bringing a lot of issues. Senior meeting can show na ama NDC phone susu say and the yansu secret videos are your about MPP mpanyifo ene mba eda no wo munsu release all because Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ekofre Mahama papa no ewo parliament. You go tie nsema Kojo Oppong Nkrumah kan ni ewia ye bebo minority leader so was sorry ye ekaseti Kojo Oppong Nkrumah say eni kwan say wo yesa wanya ade na in the next year podcast ayebe no asemo akwami A+ nso atro afa Kojo Oppong Nkrumah say ye ne crew say nye ne crew ye de no nso ebetu muanim na ye ready atwam na muniamu ehu nti enda me ne o ka say ukọ social media asem ne try especially Sami Jenfie because Kojo Oppong Nkrumah kan sare and Sami Jenfie so aba be release video a secret video of a year President Akufo-Addo. Sami Jenfie so can see ye ka papa no original papa ne pa Akufo-Addo because video no obehu de say akwakọ yes President Akufo-Addo emia wo baabi. Sami Jenfie so release o ka say Kojo Oppong Nkrumah wenya kokodro efre Mahama papa no dia and dia won so de Akufo-Addo wo de ye emba ani. Say see how politics no ye dey akwako gufum in the Ghana and there Ghana politics mechanic credit trail e wo gatemu yengo take Kojo Oppong Nkrumah any minority leader nembra.
So Mr. Speaker, I want to encourage our colleagues on the other side. I want to encourage my good friend who just spoke. In my hometown, we say Papano. 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 I want to encourage Papano to take some time and follow the structure of this transaction and to start. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity.
In your ruling, there are many names we come across from today. Some will dedicate to some. And there are many names. And Mr. Speaker, I know you won't encourage us to do so because I will see comfort in Dagani or in Hausa or in Gurinsi or in Nakani to use words that are acceptable. And to come to Parliament to employ those words used on social media, we take strong objection to it. If you don't withdraw, we will recognize you today as minister. We will refer to you as minister. We will not do what you do. So today, we will recognize you as minister of this republic. And we will not afford you any respect minister. Let's pray to the God.
Etiefo, eno na da ho no. And there assembly assembly na parliament enye easy. Na me ade we nyina no obi a me blame ne kre obi a me blame ne eye Mahama. And now no me report here no obi asem a wode ba ne se nti Mahama kra adan ye kasa fa ne ho a won ba about me kasa. And yes, I'll blame Mahama. And bra asem ne hya ase nkrofo yi be kan papa no a ye yes ye de target Mahama no. Ba ye kum enogina ono ohe. Akwakwa say embra yes, some people will not like, but I'll say it. Akwakwa say embra na Ken Japan for the first time or ka say eye JB dan kwa ni wo no enam eye Mahama so nti because na Mahama any obisa na nim hu bi Ken Japan ka say the first time ansa na Ken Japan be sesa na no Ken Japan ka the first time Mahama amba bonten amba mbe yiano, so people believe say no kra JB dan kwa ne kra Mahama eni me wo ni obi until say Ken Japan nankasa eba out this year ebe ka say oh eyo bi foforo na ono first no fi say Mahama but say we hu say enye Mahama until say Ken Japan nankasa ba out be kind no Mahama was just quiet about it. And say Ken Japan kan for be one first time second time biansa na Mahama Emma ni spokesperson address asem say de Ken Japan kan enye ne krebe no kra no bebia na edin no ase yakodu no enye omo a response Mahama de ba enye omo no mbeti na ko kan ya na nka onso wa yeden wa respond why ya ma papa no ya ka papa no imba na wo mo ye involved na babontin be ka say enye Mahama why ya ma up to now still ye de show kon ama MPP fo kra ka chema wuntumi eko TV so eko kan say Mahama ne papa no che say MPP musicians ahyaase de bonjom a wo hwe innuendos a wo moto a nini na no eye wo Mahama ene ye de so bone boss wo ne papa no nini na wa ye kum na wo hwe enne bebi akwa kodu ne parliament. And there our parliament, they are addressing you as papa no. Nanka the word papa ne die, nanka ye twi kasa nanka nye bone. But now it has come to have a meaning. And as a meaning, no, it is associated to you or with you. And so if someone is addressing, nani bakuna kobo or bebo di na waka papa ne dia, obviously we all know what the person is talking about. Nanka word ne die, ya dia Ghana for you su. But sisi ana ba benya meaning. And I mean, no, some people are saying, say, well, in Grafo, they are church con, why you come, and our hairman there, Aquaco Pum Parliament, and my information minister, or by address as former president, no, or address as papa, no. You see that disrespect. Now, so you'll na ya, Nanka, hey, Obi na ya, and now, so information minister, address a former president, no. See how he addressed the former president as papa, no. Enchaye ba ko sei na ne echi no e na meka Sami Jemfiso de ebufuo aba be release secret video bi a video ni mu no obehu ne say yes obi a wo say me de menka say president Akufo-Addo mebo video na tremo in the next year podcast ameye no ba video no obehu ne say obi a wo say president Akufo-Addo ase wo mia wo ba bi na osha description as Sami Jemfi kan ho amenda me ne o ka say Sami Jemfi din trend nkrofo din atem say o Sami Jemfidie o Sami Jemfidie we Jimmy Kradodo o Sami Jemfidie we Jimmy Kradodo, but we are not saying the same thing to a yen nipa kra wo share ade we ase eye Kojo Opon Nkrumah. Omudi na anya ade Sami Jemfi say ono so this video ne ba na wanya ade, but Kojo Opon Nkrumah so uni mi nsem a eko you addressing the former president this way in the parliament is a big respect. It is ye kentia Sami Jemfi a yen kentia Kojo Opon Nkrumah so, but ni ne musa na meka Sami Jemfi dia no me posti in the next my friend saying in the next podcast, in the next broadcast ameye no me posti na ensem a Ghana fo kan a wo mudi di Sami Jemfi atem ne so no ye bekom na yakwa akohwe aba.